Hi, my name is Gaurav and today we are going to perform a submodeling analysis. For a submodeling analysis, we need to first create a static analysis. So we have performed a static analysis on this assembly model here and the results are already available with us. Here we have applied a load on this part only. So let me give you undeformed shape. So we applied load here only and we want to check the effect on this part. So we don't want to see this part or effect on this part. So first we will right click on the name of the analysis. Then we select create submodeling study. So here some information will be displayed. So submodeling can help transfer complex global loads. So basically you can see the load effect of loads on a specific region of another component in the assembly. You can say on the single component in assembly, although the whole assembly can be very complex. Enable to experiment with different design for the region of interest. So you can change the specific portion of assembly and check the effect of load there only. So I'll select OK here. There are some limitations you can study. You can check them when you perform the analysis. So click OK. Now we need to select the part which will be included in the sub assembly. So we have two parts here. Here we are going to select the second part. So you select this one. You can also check in the preview which one is selected. So now we click on the OK button. So you get a single part here. We don't need anything else to do. We just need to run the study. So here we get the effect of the load directly on the single model. You can check the stress. You can also create that factor of safety plot. Click on next and OK. See here the factor of safety is 12, so it's quite fine. So this concludes our sub-assembly study. You can change the material and other things also here. So for example, if I change the material of this one, I make it okay. So I think we cannot change here. We need to go to the main assembly to change the properties. So go here. We need to activate this configuration, and then here we change the material. We select it to 304 steel. Click apply and OK. Now the results are changed, so you need to run again the analysis. And this one again. So we need to also activate this study and then run the analysis. So the plot will be somewhat changed. So here we get the factor safety 11, so this is a little bit lesser. So in this way you can see how the properties can be changed for a single component, and we can check the results for single component also. Thank you for watching.